Welcome to our channel. In today's tutorial, we're diving into an essential guide to online privacy and security. We'll show you how to create a V2Ray VMess server account and set it up on the Dark Tunnel VPN app. Whether you're looking for enhanced protection or faster internet speeds, this step-by-step guide has got you covered. Online privacy is more important than ever in today's digital age. While many VPNs promise top-notch protection, the real power lies in customizable options like Dark Tunnel VPN. With it, you can configure your settings for optimal security. Let's get started. First, open any web browser on your device. In the search bar, type UDP Custom and hit Enter. Click on the official UDP Custom website from the search results. Once on the homepage, locate the menu icon, usually represented by 3 horizontal lines at the top corner. Click it to reveal a list of options. From the menu, select V2Ray Slow DNS Server. This option allows you to create a V2Ray server with slow DNS support. Next, choose your desired server location. On the account creation page, enter a username, solve the CAPTCHA, and click Create Now. In seconds, your server will be ready, and the details will be displayed. Keep these details handy, as we'll use them in the next step. Now, let's set up your V2Ray server on Dark Tunnel VPN. Start by downloading and installing the Dark Tunnel VPN app from the Google Play Store. Open the Play Store, search for Dark Tunnel VPN, and tap the Install button. Once installed, open the app and head to the home screen. On the home screen, click the 3 dots in the upper right corner to access the menu. Tap Config File and then Import. Select Clipboard to import the server details you created earlier. If done correctly, the app will confirm that your data has been successfully imported. Now, return to the home screen and tap the Connect button. Within seconds, you'll be connected to your V2Ray VMess server, enjoying secure and fast-speed internet. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share it with others who need better online security and faster connections. For more hidden VPN tricks and updates, check out our blog. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.